Versace Eros, the new fragrance for man.
Eros Fame, the new Versace fragrance for men.
Why do you keep on calling?
Listen, we need to start all this over again.
We started all this over again 100 times. I love you. Do you love me? Your intensity. You're mine. What are you ready to give up? See? Nothing.
Classic for Men by Intimacy.
Raindrops on roses and whiskers on kittens, dry copper kettles and warm woolen mittens, brown paper packages tied up with strings. These are a few of my favorite things. Cream-colored ponies and crisp apple strudels, doorbells and sleigh bells and schnitzel with noodles, wild geese that fly with the moon on their wings. These are a few of my favorite things. Girls in white dresses with blue satin sashes, snowflakes to stay on my nose and eyelashes, silver white winters that melt into springs. These are a few of my favorite things. When the dog bites, when the bee stings, when I'm feeling sad, I simply remember my favorite things, and then I don't feel so bad.
Are you alive? Are you alive?
Fuel for Life, the fragrance by Diesel. Use with caution.
Success without integrity means nothing. Your belongings don't make you a better man. Your behavior does. Integrity is how you behave when there's nothing to be gained. We make a living by what we get, but we make a life by what we give. Choose to strive for more, for better. Every hour of every day, be the man of today. Boss Bottled.
Eros pour femme by Versace.
Etzaro Wanted, the new fragrance for men by Etzaro.
Thank you for watching Max and Sons Parfum. If you like this video, share it with your friends to start smelling absolutely gorgeous. Don't forget to like, put any comments regarding your concern in perfumes and fragrances, and we're happy to answer you or do a video for you. Subscribe and hit that bell for you not to miss any of my contents uploaded every week. See you again next time. Max and Sons Parfum. Even the goddess will fall.